Hey, what it do? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Flaming Manny, back again with another video. Um, I'm here and I'm on Pocket Option. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm remaking one of my gem videos. I feel like it can go better, so I'm going to go ahead and remake it and let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna be showing you guys what the gems in Pocket Option are for. Um, you guys can follow along. I'm gonna show you on the screen. So when you first load into your Pocket Option account, you're gonna be on your trading account. Like it's gonna show the graphs or whatever, and then you're just gonna hit achievements, and then on achievements you just hit achievements again, and it'll bring you to this screen. You guys might have some gems that you haven't claimed yet. You can go ahead and claim those now. It'll give you some gems anytime you complete an achievement. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what gems are for. Gems can be used to purchase advantages in the market. I'm gonna go ahead and list those, what those are and what they can do. Um, this is gonna be a pretty quick video. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut right to the chase because my last video people were complaining about it. What those advantages are will be shown in the market. So you guys can go ahead and press market and then hit market. And once you get on the screen, it'll show you what you guys can purchase. It'll show you your gem amount right here on the left. It'll show you everything that you can purchase. I'm gonna go ahead and go through what each one of these does. Um, let's get into it. The first one is promo codes. This promo code can be used to get an extra amount like added to your balance. Like say you're about to deposit 50 bucks and the promo code gets you 25% more. Then you would get the 25% more on top of the $50 that you just put in. That's pretty good, but the only downfall to that is that you have to make a certain amount, like go above the threshold. So they give you $25, say, and you have to make say $50 above, and then you can cash that out. It's pretty good if you're consistent in trading. I recommend giving that a try. I also have my own promo code, so you guys don't have to purchase one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen and in the description below. So go ahead and check that out. The second one is basically you just get free money. I know, sounds good, right? You use your green gems for this, and I guess you can different ones. Then let's see. You just get you just get free $5, $10, $25. There's no catch because it would have said terms and conditions or whatever at the bottom. So yeah, that one's pretty good. If you have an extra 10 green gems, I don't know the actual name. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Yep, green gems of gurus. And you can go ahead and get do that. You can for this one it's risk free. You can make a trade completely risk free with a max amount of $10. So that one's pretty good. I want to say that one's better than the free $5 because it's less and you can make a free trade and possibly make more. I would prefer you guys use this one as opposed to the bonus to balance where you just purchase free $5, I guess. The next one is cashback. This one's pretty interesting. You get cashback on every purchase, I mean every trade loss. So say you made $100 trade and you lost you lost $100 trade, you would get $2 back for free. It's better than not getting anything back, right? And the max trade on that is $100 a month, and this lasts for a year. So I want to say this is pretty good. I've never actually tried it, but I'm pretty sure it's pretty good. So you guys should just take a look. The next one is boosters. The booster, you get XP for trade. I don't know exactly what this does, but I'm pretty sure that this helps you with your achievement and it'll get you to the next level. You see I'm level 6. Certain items require to be a higher level, so this is pretty good. You see this requires level 7 or higher. That's what this would be used for, and getting some gems as well. It gives you gems if you get to another level, so that's pretty cool. Prolongators, what those do is just get your any booster you have to last longer. I don't know exactly what you would use it for. It's not very useful. I prefer you guys just purchasing like a risk-free cashback as opposed to the prolongator. Prolongator, it's not very useful. You can with this you can purchase with real money. You can buy gems and stuff, mining licenses, whatever. We'll go through what that is in a bit. But down here you can actually trade your gems for other gems. Like you see this blue one, you can get 5 red ones. It's just changing gems to other gems. If you have more of one and you're trying to get more of another, this is the way to do it. Then chests give you any number of things depending on which one you purchase. This one gives you 1 of 3. That's very interesting because it'll give you, like, say, you never know what it'll give you at the chest, obviously. It'll give you, say, 1 prolongator, a booster, and 1 risk free. So that's very interesting. It's like a mystery box. You can go ahead and take a look if you guys want. Look into it. Every one of these actually have a question mark next to them if you guys want to know exactly what it does. And then these bots one is just stuff Pocket Option promotes themselves. And then we're gonna get into how to actually get gems. And we'll go ahead and get into that. There's actually a screen that shows you how to get gems. In order to get to that screen, you just press this down here. How to obtain gems. You just press it and this will pop up. I'll go ahead and go through what those are. Trading. You can get gems by trading and accomplishing achievements, or I like to call them challenges, doing challenges. You can get that here on this screen, achievements. And this will actually show you what you guys have to do in order to get your gems. What you do is just press it, it'll let you know this number of trades in a row. This one's 5 trades in a row successfully. As you guys can see, I've never done that, but I've done a lot of these. 5 deposits, make your first deposit more than 500. Let's see, total deposits more than $1,000. I've done all of these. The more you guys do, the higher level you get as well. So, and then you can purchase higher tier items or advantages. Pocket Option likes to call them advantages. Next way is participating in the gem lottery. In order to get gems from that is you just participate in it. I think it's only on the weekend that you can participate in the gem lottery. Drop that pin. I know it's getting kind of annoying. You only participate in the weekend, and during the weekend you have to make trades, and then you can just get gems off of any random trade. That's just the lottery. It's just them trying to encourage people to trade during the weekend. Let's see, the other one is buying a mining license. A mining license is just basically you gain fragments of gems while copying other people's trading. I don't recommend doing that. I wouldn't do that, so we'll just skip over that and not really talk about it too much. Buying gems or trading gems is another way you can get them. I actually showed you guys that screen. You can go to market and hit market and then hit gems. And you scroll down, it'll go ahead and it'll show you guys the purchasing of gems or like trading of gems. So you see you can trade the green one for the red one. Very interesting. You can go guys and take a look. You might have too much of one. Sell unwanted. You can sell unwanted items in the market. Like say you got prolongators, you can sell your prolongator for something else. I don't have any examples of this. Let me see. Let's pretend for a second that you won because you got to the next level. You got to like level 7. You see how I'm level 6? You got to level 7 and you got cancel lost trade. Imagine you didn't want that. You can go ahead and sell that and it'll give you gems back for that. That's one way. And that's actually the final way of doing it. And I guess that would conclude the video. I'm sorry that went kind of quick. I just didn't want to waste you guys' time too much. And sorry I didn't make a video in a while. I want to say thank you and see you next time. Have good luck trading. Deuces.